Okay guys, welcome back to CB Yoga and Fitness on this 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. Today is day 2 and my name is Mike. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Today's intention or today's mantra is going to be I am worthy. You are worthy. You are worthy of whatever goals you may have. You are worthy of becoming healthier and in better shape. You are worthy of completing this challenge. You are worthy. So grab a mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to begin doing some of those HIIT salutations that we did yesterday. And so we'll come to the top of our mat. Again, bringing the feet together or about hip-width distance apart. And we'll take a breath here. Tapping into our mantra today, I am worthy. I'm worthy of strength, I'm worthy of health, I'm worthy of vitality. You are worthy. And on your next inhale, we'll bring the hands up together. Overhead, exhale, forward fold, inhale, halfway lift, exhale, plant the palms, step it back, give me 5 push-ups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chaturanga, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog, give me 5 down dog push-ups here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to down dog, take a breath. Today we're only doing 3 rounds, so you're welcome. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step it up. Inhale, halfway left. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, take a breath. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. 5 push-ups. Upward dog. Down dog. Take a breath. Give me 5 down dog push-ups. Come back to down dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides, take a breath. Only 1 more round. We got this. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. 5 push-ups. Chaturanga, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a breath. Then 5 down dog push-ups. Back to down dog, breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. By your sides. From here, we'll take our feet about as wide as the mat, and we'll do 15 squats. Take a breath here, and we'll begin. Five more. Okay, so from here, let's bring the feet together. We're going to come into a chair pose. So inhale, bring the hands up overhead and sink the hips back. You want to make sure you can see your two big toes in between your knees. You want to make sure that your knees are in one line. Keeping the core engaged. We'll hold here for 10 seconds. 2, 1, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the palms. This time just step it back to downward facing dog. From here, inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, right knee to the left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale. This time, step the right foot forward. Pivot the left foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar your left arm. Come up into warrior 2. Make sure you have a good foundation. Right knee over right ankle. And the right heel is in line with the left arch. Arms to a T. Breathe here. Your next inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. Exhale, come back to down dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, this time slip the left foot up between the hands, pivot the right foot to 90 degrees, air guitar the right arm up. Coming into warrior 2, getting that good foundation, left knee over left ankle, arms to a T, breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Then we'll inhale, lift the right foot up again. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot up. This time keeping the feet where they are. Engaging the core. Inhale, come up into high lunge. Take 3 breaths here. Exhale, plant the palms, move through your flow. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, this time step the left foot up. Keeping the feet where they are, engage the core. Inhale, high lunge. 3 breaths here. Exhale, plant palms, move through your flow. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Let's take 5 breaths here. And on your next exhale, come into a plank pose. And we'll do about 30 seconds of mountain climbers. So when you're ready, we'll begin. Fifteen more seconds. Five seconds. Come back to downward facing dog. From here, walk your feet up about halfway Take your feet as wide as the mat. Lower down into a yogi squat. Bring the hands together at our hearts. Again, trying to keep our back straight. So from here, we'll make our way onto our backs. So from here, we'll do some single leg raises. So we'll start with the right leg. Arms and hands can rest by your sides. We'll relax our left leg. Inhale, bring our right knee into our chest. And then up towards the sky. And then exhale for 5. Lower the right leg. 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5. Exhale, lower 5. Keep the core engaged. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. And then just let it hover here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower. Inhale, bring the left knee into the chest and then up towards the sky. Exhale, lower 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5. Keep the core engaged. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. Do one more. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hover here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower. And now we'll do double leg raises. So bringing both knees into the chest, both legs up towards the sky. So it's really important when we're doing exercises like these, especially leg raises, to make sure that you keep your lower back on the floor at all times. So you really want to protect the lower back. So if it only means you can come down halfway before your lower back lifts, that's totally okay. That's how my body is like. So, but if you can bring your feet all the way down here with the lower back in the ground, well then that's awesome. But just go to the point where your lower back stays fully on the ground. So exhale, lower 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lower 5. Keep the core engaged. 2, 1. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. Inhale 5. Exhale 5. 3, 2, 1. Hover here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring the knees into the chest. Give yourself a big hug. And once a day, doing some supine twists. So extending our left leg out long, hugging our right knee into our chest. We'll guide our right knee to the left side. Right arm can come to a T. Making sure you keep both shoulders on the mat. Exhale, come back to center, extend the right leg out long, hug the left knee in. Exhale, guide the left knee over to the right side. Bringing your left arm to a T, both shoulders on the mat. Exhale, come back to center. Extend both legs out long. Arms are down by your sides, taking up space. Final Shavasana. Great work, everyone. Day 2 in the books. You are worthy. Soaking in all the benefits of today's practice. I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like. If not, we'll rock back and forth up into a seated position. Great job, everyone. We'll bring our hands together at our heart. The light in me honors and bows to the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste. I'll see you tomorrow.